It has been an amazing experience to join the Subnetwork meeting here in Busan. I did not know what to expect because it's my first time at a Subnetwork meeting. Meeting my colleagues from the cities of film, we've all been together here in this beautiful, beautiful city and famous for film here in Busan is inspirational, and it's been amazing to see everyone and connect again.
I'm really excited to be in Busan. It's such an amazing city of film. It has so much industry and amazing programs, and we hear such positive things about Busan through the Cities of Film Subnetwork. So really excited and really enriched by the program. It's been a really vibrant program full of exciting experiences. So yeah, very happy to be here.
First of all, I think that every creative city has its specialties. So I think that each with the strengths and the weaknesses, we can supplement each other and when we work together in collaboration. The second thing is I want to put a lot of effort in people's exchange and communication in that kind of a sense. So through that course of that, I feel that we can incubate talent and train talent for the future.
One of my proposals to the film community and film cluster of creative cities was to have a research unit within the creative cluster, because we have to fulfill the very important SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, from United Nations and particularly from UNESCO, and the indicators of UNESCO about the cultural activities. So this is a big deal and a big challenge for our creative cities. And also, yes, we would like to connect with the other cities, sending our filmmakers to participate in different festivals across the creative cities, and the opposite, the participants from the creative cities to participate in our festivals.
So it's amazing to come together like with the UNESCO Creative Cities Network, and especially the film cities. We are 26 at the moment from all around the world, coming together, learning from each other and being inspired by other projects. Like today we heard about the international residency programs, and I'm amazed what Busan and Valladolid did with the film project, but also Wellington and Galway. It's amazing what they do. And even like sometimes just listening to a conversation, I'm like making little notes and thinking about things that we can do to come back closer together. And yeah, because today was the saying of we all speak film, and that's what we do, and that's what I want to support.
We are also very happy and thankful that we could see your city and visit your great film facilities, like here, for example, the Busan Film Studios, which is really great.
From the airport to here, we met so new people, so nice people, so very good hosts. About the conference, my impression was that everything is made from very little details. From A to Z is very completed.
Even we are very far in terms of distance, our audiovisual ecosystem and industry is quite similar, not only in terms of co-production, which I know is one of the main goals of for example, Busan Film Commission, but also in terms of knowledge exchange, cases of studies, and we have a lot of opportunities, and at the short term we can do, in my opinion, very special and exciting projects together.
So I think that the potential for collaboration between Busan and Galway as cities of film is huge. I think that collaboration in any of the cities is made possible through the network and through the people. So everybody we've met here, Annika and all our team, have been so amazing. So yeah, I think Galway as a collaboration with Busan could happen anytime.
So I thank everyone that welcomed us here, every organization, every staff, every members of the creative cities that helped us being here today and experience this cross-cultural exchanges like since the start of this event, and it has helped us have new contacts, networking a lot. Yeah, thank you sincerely everyone.